issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Broward County in southeastern Florida, southeastern Palm Beach County in southeastern Florida until 3 p.m. At 2:35 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Highland Beach, moving northeast at 20 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Boca Raton, Deerfield Beach, Boynton Beach, Delray Beach, Lighthouse Point, Highland Beach, Ocean Ridge, Hillsborough Beach, Boca del Mar, Kings Point, Village of Gulf, Hamptons at Boca Raton, Gulf Stream, Briny Breezes, Florida, Atlantic, University South Campus, and Boca West. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.